So what about the don'ts? What should a company, insurance company, not do if they want to introduce AI?
Yeah. So I think they should not just try to do that top down, right? Just saying, okay, now we do AI and then expect this to magically happen. I think it's going to be also a change process, which has to be top down, but also bottom up, right? The top down part I consider as there needs to be the right funding from the organization, from a key decision maker who says, okay, there's going to be budgets to deploy, right, to work on this. But it's also change management process which has to happen bottom up, because potentially the way how people will work within that organization is going to be different from what it used to be, right?
Okay. How different?
Yeah. So let's for instance take the person who is doing claims handling, right? I think in the past maybe they went through a lot of documentation and a lot of cases, and they spend a lot of time interacting with the client on the phone, etc. Now that's potentially going to be different, because information is going to be accessible through their website. There is self-settlement of claims, right? So there is this person who used to work on actual cases may be involved in reviewing training data, in seeing that whatever goes into these models is better, that the data which the company keeps is better. So it's going to be a bit of a refocusing of what they do, right?
Okay, makes sense.
So, yeah.
So if I'm would I need to worry if I am an insurance professional that I'm going to be replaced by a machine?
That's a common fear, and I think that fear has been around for quite some time. But I think it's gonna just, as I mentioned, the way of working is gonna change, right? I think
my job is not going to disappear.
The job is not gonna be disappearing, but it's gonna be different, right? New products will emerge. It's also important to see that, I don't know, like this, for instance, the automation is not removing anything, but it also has the potential of giving more value adding services, right? Doing better user experience, allowing to get a better insight into the risk portfolio, right? But of course, those fears exist and they have to be taken seriously, right? So this is why I'm saying a proper change management process within the organization is key, that you also explain to the workforce what this transformation is about, to actually take those fears, right? And to show what the new insurance processes with AI can look like. I'm afraid if that is not properly managed, right, it's going to be, let's say there won't be internal buy-in. Maybe the second don't, if I may, right, is also the following one. I think don't try to, as an insurance company, think that you can get it all right in the first place. I think it's an iterative process, right? I think it has, don't try to do it alone, right? Really speak to experts in artificial intelligence, in automation, right? Which can help you pick the right technologies to solve your problems, right? So that you as an insurer, like us, right? So exactly. So that you actually can focus on innovating on the insurance product, right? And giving a great customer experience to your clients.